and today I'm going to Katsuoji Temple. That's Minoh Waterfall right there. Actually, there is a monkey here. Oh, is he going to help him out? Yes. Any moment a car's just going to come around the corner and take me out. Oh my god. I'm just about there. I'm very fatigued now. Just around this corner over here, it's the finish line. At long last, guys, this video's dragged out a bit of me, just my mission up here. But finally, the ending is in sight. I don't know if you can see that building. Katsuoji, baby. I made it. I'm at the top. This is Katsuoji Temple. Here it is. You can see these little Dharma dolls here at the bottom. There's so many Dharma dolls at Katsuoji Temple, so we'll go inside, check it out. This is actually insane. This is the quietest I've ever seen Katsuoji Temple. It's because of coronavirus. This is nuts. There's no one. There's no one. There's no one. There's one. But there's no one here. There's usually like swarms of people here getting a selfie photo, but there's just absolutely nothing. This is gorgeous. I'm just blown away. This is insane. This is so serene. There's absolutely no one here at Katsuoji. Wow. The mist as well, the mist from the water. Or is that smoke? I think there's actually a smoke machine under here to make it look like photogenic all the time. Thank you, Corona-chan. This is stunning. This is amazing. I'm right here. I'm right here at Katsuoji Temple, and it's just mind-bogglingly beautiful. I can't wait to see all the Dharma dolls with no one there as well. God damn! You can see all the Dharma dolls. I made it to the top of the steps. Ooh. All that red, all the red flowers, it's really pretty. And this, the main attractions over here, the massive, gigantic dharmas. Everyone's made their wish. So what are dharma? Well, people buy them. They have two white eyes, and people make a wish and they color in one of the eyes black or whatever color. I guess they're all black. Oh my god, some sort of rituals started. And basically, you make the wish, you colour in one of the eyes, and then when your wish comes true, you come back later, you find your dharma, and you colour in the other eye. So you can see, these are all wishes that came true, I think, because all of the eyes have both been coloured in. And they're big ones as well. The bigger the dharma, I don't necessarily know the bigger the wish, but maybe a better chance of it coming true. I don't know. People spend a lot of money on these dharmas. There's like real tiny ones for 500 yen. And you can buy like real big ones for like 50,000, which is like $600, $700, I don't know. So yeah, there's serious commitment with these dharma. Wow. This is the main temple where you can make your wish. Wow, there's just so many dharma. Yeah, they all are lined up nicely. Katsuoji is a Buddhist temple, so this is a Buddhist incantation at the moment. I called it a ritual earlier. I think it's a prayer, more like a prayer. They're not summoning anything or sacrifice. It's not a ritual, but yeah. Oh, is it happening inside there? I think it is. When I came here over New Year's, I actually came on the 2nd of January. I bought one of the little mini dharmas, and you attach your fortune to here after you've read it. And that's what I did. So mine is here somewhere. I think it's here, maybe. If not, it's over there. It's that first one. I don't quite remember. You can buy the dharma here. The small ones are 500 yen. You can see there's the massive ones over there where there's no wish has been made, so the eyes are completely white. But yeah. Made one of the classic prayers at the shrine, the temple. I always wish or pray for the same thing, which is just positive emotion. So I'm not praying to anything really. I'm just having a moment of meditation for myself, and I think that's fine. For someone who doesn't believe in anything, I don't think I'm disrespecting anyone's culture by just having a positive mindset, you know? That's what I always do. It's so nice having no people here. It's unbelievable. And here you can see so many of the darumas, dozens of darumas of people getting their fortune out, tying it to the thing outside the temple, the shrine. And then just dumping them here. Look at them all. Look at them. All the way along. All the way. And I believe that's it. That's the end. I made it here to the top. This is the temple. And now you go down that way, down along a path. And there's that windy path there. And it takes you all the way back to the front gate. That fountain over there. So yeah. That's the end. Thank you guys for watching. Kiwi in Japan. Laurie runs up to Katsuoji Temple episode. Check out my other videos. I've done lots of unboxing anime things lately, and I went to Tokyo with my friends Bennett and Sarah. Check them out, won't you? Thank you for watching. Come to Katsuoji Temple. Come to Minoh. If you don't want to come all the way to Katsuoji Temple, just go to Minoh Waterfall. It's beautiful. I love it. I go there all the time. But yeah, thanks for sharing this experience with me. So subscribe, leave me a comment. See you in the next video.